In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable accepting payments on a Wix website. To get started, log into your Wix account and open the dashboard for the website where you want to receive payments. Once you are inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. From there, scroll until you find the Finance and E-commerce section. Then click Accept Payments. This is the main area where Wix lets you set up how customers will pay you during checkout. At this point, you will need to choose your payment provider. Wix supports more than 100 payment providers around the world. So the best option really depends on your business type, your location, and the payment methods you want to offer your customers. If you want the easiest setup, Wix Payments is usually the most straightforward choice for many merchants. It allows you to accept major credit and debit cards, Apple Pay, and other digital wallets directly on your site, which can create a smoother checkout experience for customers. If you prefer another provider, click See More Payment Options. This is where you can connect third-party services such as PayPal, Square, Stripe, or regional processors, depending on what's available in your country. If your business also accepts offline methods, you can choose manual payments. This option is useful for things like cash on delivery, bank transfers, or checks. Once you've decided which option works best for you, click Connect next to that provider. Wix will then guide you through the setup process on screen. You may be asked to sign into an existing merchant account or create a new one if you don't already have one. As you continue, you will need to enter your business details, tax information, and banking details, so payouts can be sent to you correctly. Take your time during this part because payment gateways, including Wix Payments, usually require KYC, which stands for Know Your Customer verification. This is a standard process designed to confirm your identity and help keep transactions secure. You may need to upload documents such as a government-issued photo ID, business registration documents, or bank statements. A very important tip here is to make sure all the information you provide matches exactly across your forms and documents. Even small differences can lead to verification issues or payout delays. After your provider is successfully connected and approved, your payment buttons will automatically become active on your website's checkout page. That means your customers will be able to complete purchases using the payment methods you've enabled. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.